Hello students, today we will discuss about job analysis. As we know, job analysis is an integral part of human resource management. Job analysis is basically important because we have to gather the information about the job. Why we gather the information about the job? Because we have to recruit the people as per the skills required for the job. Once we match the skills required for the job and we match what a candidate possesses, then we hire the candidate. As we know, in this competitive era, now this is the scenario of talent acquisition. For talent acquisition, we have to match the skill set of the candidate with the skill set of the job required. So once we do the job analysis in the organization, we are gathering the information, a detailed study of the job, in which basically we discuss what are the different necessities and the skills which is required to do that job. So we will discuss here the job analysis. Job analysis, as we know, it is a collection and aggregation of the tasks, duties and responsibilities which as a whole are regarded as a regular assignment to individual employee. What we need from the employee, what we want an employee should work into the organization, what are the different tasks and responsibilities which an employee has to perform while working into the organization. So once we will discuss what are the detailed study of the job which is required by the candidates and what are the quality possessed by person, and when it fits, when it match, then we hire the candidate for the organization. So before doing any job or before selecting any candidate into the organization, job analysis is must. If we will do the recruitment without the job analysis, so we will be unable to find a better candidate for the organization. So for having a better candidate with the right kind of skills, with the right set of skills, we need the job analysis into the organization or a detailed job analysis into the organization. So before discussing the job analysis into the detail, we will discuss first what is job. Job is a very integral part basically in which we have different tasks, duties and responsibilities into the organization, or it is a kind of collection of different tasks and duties under a particular job title which an employee has to perform into the organization. So a task is a collection of duties, responsibilities which as a whole are regarded as a regular assignment for the individual employee. For what an employee get a salary for doing their job into the organization is basically a job. Now comes to the job analysis. Job analysis is a process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibility of a specific job. So a detailed study of the job is called job analysis, and basically in which we collect the information and we study about what kind of jobs, what kind of skill set is required by a candidate into the organization. Now what is the purpose of job analysis? Now why we do job analysis? As we have discussed, for doing a detailed recruitment in the organization, we need the job analysis. So recruitment and selection, we have to creating a right fit between the job and the candidate. So to make a right fit between the job and the candidate, we do the job analysis. We do the job analysis for the performance appraisal also. Performance appraisal is basically what? Performance appraisal is a detailed study of collecting the performance of the employee, what he has done in the last year of in the organization and how much he or she has added into his portfolio in the last tenure. So this is called performance analysis, and it is basically evaluating the performance of the employee in the last 1 year. And for compensating the employee, as we know there are two kinds of job in the organization. For compensating the job, for associating the compensating factor to the job, we basically do the job analysis. As we know there are two kinds of job. One is primary job, another is supporting job. So to support the primary job or to associate the compensating factor with them, we basically do the job analysis. Does the job which has a high skills are required to do that job, their compensating factor will be high, or the job which are the routine in their kind, no different kind or not a specific skills is required to perform that job, so less compensation will be associated with that job. So for compensating any job, we need job analysis in the detail. For job designing, redesigning, enrichment and enlargement, once we do the job designing, so job designing is a process of adding different tasks and responsibility under a job title. Though in the organization, as we know there are different job titles and each job title have their unique task and responsibilities which has to perform under that particular job title. So once we designing the job, we have to put or we have to add different tasks and responsibility to that job. That is known as the job designing. Another is redesigning. When we redesign the job, like we have to reduce the monotonous or boredomness from the job, or to reduce that monotonousness or the boredomness, we add different flavors to the job, like job rotation, so that a person can reduce their monotonous or the boredomness. Enrichment and enlargement we will discuss later in the slide. Next is training need, where we have to provide the training, where we have the gaps, to identify the gap is due to the organization, gap is due to the task, gap is due to the individual. So we have to identify, and job analysis basically help a candidate to make a balance between training required and other things are required into the organization. So before imparting the training, we have to analyze whether training is required or what we have required into the organization. Now, using of job analysis. The job analysis are required in the organization for human resource planning, recruitment, selection of personnel, training and development, organization audit, job evaluation, job designing, performance appraisal, career planning, safety and health. So for all such 10 purposes, we use job analysis into the organization. Human resource planning is thinking in advance which kind and how many employees we need in the organization in coming time. That is called HRP. And how we will do the HRP? HRP can be done through the job analysis only. Recruitment, as we have discussed from the very first slide, recruitment cannot be done without job analysis. Selection of personnel, we have to select the personnel, and we will select the personnel once we match the skill set with the job requirement. Training and development, organization audit, job evaluation, job design, performance appraisal, career planning, safety and health. Steps and stages which are required to and the process in the job analysis. So first is collection of background information. We have to collect the background information related to a job, which kind of job it is, kind of skills required to do that job, technicality and complexity is there in the job or not. Then we have to selection of the representative job to be analyzed. Collecting, then we do the job analysis, फिर हम collection करते हैं job data का, and then which is known as the collection of job analysis data, job description and job specification. Techniques of job analysis data: personal observation, sending questionnaire, maintenance of log record, conducting personal interviews. So for personal observation, we basically observe the candidate 6 or 7 days from 9 to 5 what that employee used to do. So we make a list of the duties from day 1 to day end, what an employee do into the organization, and it is known as the personal observation. Sending set questionnaires means we have to give a questionnaire to the employee in which all the tasks, all the duties which is in the entire organization we have to jot down, or an employee has to write his or her job title and he has to tick which kind of work he do basically into the organization. Log record is basically a record book in which a manager or an employee has to write what he is doing from 9 to 5 into the organization, so that a record of the task and duties can be created for a particular job title. And the last one is conducting personal interview, in which we do a survey or the personal interview from the candidate only or from the employee only what he do from 9 to 5 every day. Now there are two components of job analysis: job description and job specification. So job analysis is divided into two parts: job description and job specification. Now let's discuss in detail. Job description means we basically discuss about job title, job location, summary, reporting to, working conditions, job duties, machine to be used, and hazards. What kind of different hazards can be done? And in job specification, qualification, experience, training, skills, responsibilities, emotional characteristics and sensory demands. These are the various things for the job analysis. What are the different job description and job specifications are there to perform a particular job.